Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to show you 2 easy chords that you can use to play Impressions by Wes Montgomery on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And our 2 chords are going to be played here at fret 10, with our first one being a D minor 7. Now I'm using my thumb to strum these to give me a nice jazz sound. I'm just brushing the strings like this. I'm strumming from the D string down, and my second chord is going to be a G major chord, playing just these 3 strings. That's G major, so we'll play them this way. Those are the only 2 chords that we're going to have to learn to play this song. As the song progresses, we'll modulate by raising those chords by 1 fret. Like that. And then we'll go back. Now later in the song, as the solos start, we're going to strum the chords differently. We'll strum them this way. Now those are the only chords that we'll have to play through this entire song. That's Easy Chords to Impressions by Wes Montgomery. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.